Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing fractions, the last exercise from the fractions, that is exercise 7.6, which deals with addition and subtraction when the denominators are different. So let us take the example of first question. First one, it is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. So you see the denominators are different. So my first job is to find the LCM of 3 and 7. As they have no common factors, LCM is 21. So what is 2 by 3? If I want to get the denominators 21, I have to multiply down and up with 7. 7 2s are 14. Similarly, 1 by 7. If I have to get the denominators 21, 7 3s are 21. So up also I will multiply with 3. 3. So now 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7 is nothing but equal to 14 by 21 plus 3 by 21. I will take again the same thing I will do. Okay, next 17 by 21. Second question. Second question is 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15. Denominator is different. So first thing is LCM of 10 and 15. What is LCM of 10 and 15? 10, 15. Common factor is 5. 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So LCM is nothing but 5 into 2 into 3. So that is equal to 30. Now 3 by 10, if I may want to make the denominator as 30, 10 into 3 is 30. Up also I multiply with 3, makes it 9. Then 7 by 15, if I have to make the denominator as 30, 15 2s are 30, 7 2s are 14. So 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15 is nothing but 9 by 30 plus 14 by 30. If I take the LCM as 30, 9 plus 14 on the top. So 9 plus 14 makes it 23 by 30. Coming to the next question, third one. Third one, it is 4 by 9 plus 2 by 7. 4 by 9 plus 2 by 7. So let us do it together. LCM of 9 and 7 is 63. So 4 by 9 is into 7. So 28 by 63. And 2 by 7 to make the denominator 63 into 9. So 18 by 63. So 4 by 9 plus 2 by 7 is equal to 28 by 63 plus 18 by 63. So the denominator is 63. 28 plus 18 makes it 46 by 63. Okay? Fine? Clear? Now, next question. Question number 4. Again, let us solve the sums together so that we are very much confident. LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. So what we are doing? 5 by 7, making the denominators 21. 7 3s are 21. Up also I am multiplying with 3. 15 by 21 and 1 by 3. If I want to make the denominator as 21 into 7. 7 by 21. So 5 by 7 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 15 by 21 plus 7 by 21. So 15 plus 7 by 21. So that is equal to 22 by 21. 22 by 21. Next, question number 5. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 6. So what is LCM of 5 and 6? It is 30. So you see 5 into 6 makes it 30. 2 into 6 I will do. So I can write it as 12 by 30. Plus 6 into 5 is 30. 1 into 5 only I will do. So it is 5 by 30. So this is equal to 17 by 30. Next. Question number 6. Question number 6 is 4 by 5 plus 2 by 3. So LCM of 5 and 3 is equal to 15. So I'm having it as 15. So 5 into 3 is 15. 4 into 3 is 12. 3 into 5 is 15. 2 into 5 is 10. So next is 22 by 15. Alright. Next. Coming to question number 7. You can obviously do it in this form. No issues. But until you understand, please follow all the steps. You can do it in more shorter way. We will be doing it. Question number 7. Okay. So what is question number 7? It is minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So what is LCM of 3 and 4? It is 12. So 4 into 3 is 12. 3 into 3 is 9. minus 3 into 4 is 12. 1 into 4 is 4. So next, 5 by 12. 8. 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. So 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So 5 minus 3 2s are 6, 1 2s are 2. 2. So 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. Fine. Next, ninth one. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. See, if you are not confident enough, please follow all the steps, writing the LCM of 3, 4 and 2. Solve the LCM. 2 common factor, 3 will come down as it is, 2 comma 1, 2 into 3 into 2, 3 to 6 to the 12 is their LCM. Follow all the steps, write 2 by 3, 3 into 4, 12, into 4, 8 by 12, 3 by 4, and 1 by 2, and then write 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 8 by 12 plus 9 by 12 plus 6 by 12. Take denominator as 12. 8 plus 9 plus 6. That is equal to 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 6 is 23. 23 by 12. Follow all the steps, or also if you are confident enough that you will not make a mistake, you can easily not write so many steps and do it. Like easily I can say the LCM of 2, 3 and 6 is 6. So 3 plus 3 to the 6, 2 plus 1. So 6 by 6, that is equal to 1. Okay. So until unless you are confident, please do not skip the steps. Okay. I will use this particular page for this 11. I have 1, 1 by 3 plus 3, 2 by 3. So this is a mixed fraction. Whenever we have a mixed fraction, I will have to convert it into improper fraction. I will have to convert it into improper fraction. So let us work on this. 1 by 3 is how much? So you will have by 3. Up it is 3 into 1 plus 1. So it is 4 by 3. Okay. And plus, what is 3, 2 by 3? 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11 by 3. So now what we are doing? We will simply put down here 4 plus 11, that is 15 by 3. See, 5. Fine. Now 12. 4, 2 by 3 plus 3, 1 by 4. So this is equal to 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14 plus denominator 4. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. 13. So now I will have to take the LCM. 3 and 4 LCM is 12. LCM is 12. Now 14 into 4. Now we will have to do 14 into 4. 14 into 4 is 56. Plus 13 into 3 is 39. That is equal to 95 by 12. Again we will have to convert it into mixed fraction. How do we convert it into mixed fraction? I will divide 12 by 95. So 12 sevens are 84. 12 sevens are 84. So I have 11. So this is equal to 7, 11 by 12. Okay, 7, 11 by 12. Next, 13. Question number 13. It is given as 4 by 3 minus 1 by 2. 4 by 3 minus 1 by 2. So what is the LCM of 3 and 2? 6. So 4 2s are 8. 3 1s are 3. So it is 5 by 6. Fine. This was question number 14 and one more. So 13 I will replace it as 14 and I will write it 16 by 5 minus 7 by 5. So taking 5, 16 minus 7. So it is 9 by 5. So 5 1s are 5, 4 by 5. 1, 4 by 5. Coming to question number 2. It says Sarita bought 2 by 5 meters of a ribbon and Lalita 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. What was the total length of ribbon they bought? So length of ribbon bought by Sarita was how much? 2 by 5 meters. And length of ribbon bought by Lalita was 3 by 4 meters. So total length bought total length of ribbon bought is equal to how much? Total means I will have to add them. 3 by 4. So as the denominators are different, 5 and 4's LCM is 20. 8 plus 15. So this is equal to 23 by 20, which means 1 3 by 20 meters. 1 3 by 20 meters. Coming to question number 3. It reads like this. Naina was given 1.5 piece of cake. Najma was given 1/3 piece of cake. Find the total amount of cake given to both. So cake given to Naina is how much? Cake given to Naina was 1.5. So it is 3 by 2. Fine. And cake given to, who is it? Najma. Najma is equal to 1/3. So that is 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4. 4/3. So total cake given is how much? Whenever I get total cake given, I have to add the two numbers. 3 by 2 plus 4/3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 2s are 8. So 9 plus 8, 17 by 6, which is equal to 6 2s are 12 and 5 by 6. Okay, 2 5 by 6. Next, question number 4. Again here I have to find the missing number. First part, I am given some x minus 5 by 8 is equal to 1/4. So again x is equal to 1/4. Minus goes to opposite side, becomes plus 5 by 8. Now what is the LCM of 4 and 8? 8 itself. So twice will give you 8. So it is 7 by 8. So I have x minus 1/5 is equal to 1/2. So x is equal to 1/2 plus 1/5. LCM of this is 10. So 5 plus 2, that is 7 by 10. Next, question number, the third part. So 1/2 minus x is equal to 1/6. So x will go this side. So x goes this side will become plus. 1/6 coming this side will become minus. So nothing, I'm writing x this side only, but I will keep it in the same way. 1/2 minus 1/6. LCM is 6. 3 minus 1, that is 2/6. That is equal to 1/3. Okay. So this we have solved with question number 4. Now coming to question number 5, which is a addition subtraction box. So there is a 3 cross 3 box. I have drawn this box. I'm using the upper portion. Sorry for this kind of a line, so that I'm unable to hold it. 4/3, 1/3 and 2/3. So what we have to do? If I go this way, I will have to add it. And when I go this way, I will have to minus it. Okay. Now 2/3 plus 4/3. Very fast. 6/3, that is equal to 2. 1/3 plus 2/3. 3/3, that is equal to 1. Okay. Minus 2/3 minus 1/3. 1/3. 4/3 minus 2/3. 2/3. Okay. Here you see 3/3 will become 1. Even if you go this way, it's becoming 1. If you go this way also, it is becoming 1. So this is the addition subtraction box. Question number 6. A piece of wire 7.8 meter long broke into pieces. One piece was 1/4 meter long. How long is the other piece? So length of wire was how much? Length of wire was equal to 7 by 8. Length of one piece was how much? It's given as 1/4 meters. So we have a total length of 7 by 8. It got broken. One piece is 1/4. So what is the length of other? How will I get it? So length of other piece is minus 7 by 8 minus 1/4. LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So 7 minus 2, as 4 2s are 8. So it is 5 by 8 meters. Okay. Next, question number 7. Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometers from her school, but she walked some distance and then took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? So say this is Nandini's house and this is Nandini's school. Okay, this is Nandini's school. So to walk this complete distance is how much? It is given 9 by 10 kilometer. This is home and this is school. And she had walked for some distance. Some distance she walked. And then after that she took a bus. Fine, she took a bus. So bus was taken for half kilometer. There was this distance what she walked. Okay. So now I can say distance from home to school is equal to 9 by 10 kilometer. Okay. Now distance covered by bus is equal to half kilometer. So distance walked is equal to 9 by 10 minus half. LCM of 2 and 10 is 10. So 9 minus 2 into 5 makes it 10. So 1 into 5, 5. So it is 4 by 10. Cancel it. 2 and 5. So 2 by 5 kilometer. She walked. Okay. Next question number 8. Asha and Samuel had bookshelf of the same size. Asha's shelf was 5 by 6 full. So there was Asha's bookshelf and Samuel's bookshelf. Okay. So Asha's was 5 by 6 full of books and Samuel was 2 by 5 full of books. Whose bookshelf was more full? Now you have to compare between 5 by 6 and 2 by 5. Okay. So how do you compare between 5 by 6 and 2 by 5? If I have to compare between 5 by 6 and 2 by 5, I told you two methods. One is cross multiply. So 5 into 5 and 2 into 6. So this is 25 and this is 12. Which is greater? 25 is greater. So 5 by 6 is greater than 2 by 5. Therefore, Asha's bookshelf is more full. Okay. Next. Question number 9. It is not mandatory in maths that you need to write sentences. You just need to represent the question for a better understanding. Okay. Question number 9. Javed takes 2.5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time? So you have home to school. Okay. So now two people are there. One is Javed. Javed takes 1 by 5 minutes and Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes. Now I have to compare between 1 by 5 and 7 by 4. So 1 by 5 is how much? 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. 11 by 5 minutes. So this is 7 by 4 minutes. Right. So now if I have to compare between them, what do I have to do? Cross multiply. 11 into 4. 7 into 5. 11 4s are 44. 7 5s are 35. Which is greater? 44 is greater. So 1 by 5 is greater than 7 by 4. Therefore, question is who takes less time? So the lesser time. So I can say therefore Rahul takes lesser time. And next question is by how much? By how much means it is 11 by 5 minus 7 by 4. LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So 44 minus 35. So it is 9 by 20 minutes. Okay. So it is by 9 by 20 minutes. Alright. So that is it of this chapter fractions. Just to revise on what and all we learned in fractions, I will do it in the next video. Thank you.